I think there is a sector of the population na syempre may konting takot, may konting kaba. Pero
Mm.
tayo, nakikita talaga natin itong mga sakit na to sa araw-araw eh. It happens in our families or our neighborhoods. Kaya when we talk about the measles vaccine, people know na anong itsura niyan, anong pwedeng mangyari. So living with these diseases forces us to confront the reality. And I think when we talk about vaccine acceptance, vaccine hesitancy, it's not as much that as all of these logistical concerns that people have to hurdle to get vaccinated, that's stopping them from actually availing of the vaccine. So, for example, kung nagkataon na hindi naman pala araw-araw ang bakunahan dun sa center na malapit sa kanila, hindi
Yes.
kailangan pa ni nanay na sandali lang mag-o-off ako nitong araw na to. Eh kung
Mm.
mag-off ako ng umaga, magpapamasahe pa ba ako para pumunta ng half day? Tapos uuwi na naman ako, may pamasahe na naman ako. Yung
Mhm.
sinwerte yung pangkalahating araw, kulang pa yan sa pamasahe ko. So all of these logistical concerns make it challenging to be vaccinated. And you also want to make sure na pagpunta mo doon may stocks, no? So,
Mhm.
ang wish ko lang, no? Sana pagka naisip na nung mga magulang na bitbitin yung mga anak nila sa bakunahan, nothing will stop that process from happening. And it's our role, no? As administrators, policymakers, system leads to make sure that that happens.